where mountains stand like time's own pride, a ribbon of road through spruce and stone, where silence speaks in a glacier's tone. The river runs with a restless song, cold and ancient, swift and strong, carving stories through the land, etched by nature's steady hand. Highway 1 keeps rolling on, long after the crowd is gone, where Glacier River and mountains stay, guardians of that wild. One day there it rests in frozen grace, the glacier's slow and timeless face, blue as the sky, yet older still, a quiet giant beyond all will. But once a year the stillness breaks, a thunder stirs, the valley wakes, engines roar where eagles glide on the 4th of July with rebel pride. Highway 1 keeps rolling on, long after the crowd is gone, where Glacier River and mountains stay, guardians of that wild. One day from cliff to sky, the old cars fly against the vast Alaskan sky, metal and memory taking flight in a fearless, fleeting, roaring ride. Cheers rise up like the river's flow, echoing where the cold winds blow, a clash of man and nature's throne, yet both still stand unchanged, alone. Highway 1 keeps rolling on, long after the crowd is gone, where Glacier River and mountains stay, guardians of that wild. One day
across the rugged Alaskan, where the fireweed starts to bloom, we rode our home on wheels away from city noise and gloom, with a map spread on the dashboard and the coffee steaming hot. We found a kind of freedom that the lower states forgot. Off in Alaska with friends chasing the end of the road again, where the mountains lean in close, make you whistle when you roll. shadow of the mountains, where the peaks are tipped with white. The sun refused to settle in the middle of the night. We parked beside the copper streams and watched the eagles soar, while the spirit of the wilderness came knocking at our door. Offering Alaska with friends, chasing the end of the road again, where the mountains lean in close, make you whistle when you roll. We rolled our home on wheels, away from city noise and gloom, to where the fireweed starts to bloom.
All right, this is pre-launch. This is 2 days before the launch. Let's go check it out. They already got some lined up.
And you guys want 5 gallons of
Campfire sparking embers and the steaks on the grill. The world became a quiet place, magnificent and still. Offering Alaska with friends, chasing the end.
Look at this. Already lined up. They gotta get rid of the glass. And right here is where they're gonna launch it. They run just long enough gas in it to get it over the edge. And there's the Glacier. I forget the name of it. But this is where they go.
The best part of the journey was the crew I traveled through. For the road is long and lonely.
And I showed you the pre-launch, or the landing area earlier. Again, this is before the event in 2 days.
With friends chasing the end of the road again, where the mountains lean in close, make you whistle when you roll. We rolled our home on wheels.
Oh, look at this view, will you? Oh my God, that is straight down.
Where the fireweed starts to bloom.
Isn't that beautiful? That is a